Good morning, friends, and welcome to a beautiful June day here in southern Pennsylvania. It's going to be 88 degrees today, so I'm up bright and early. It's about 6:45 a.m. now to get the flower stand set up for the day. So let's go ahead and harvest some Asiatic lilies together and get the flower stand set up. And then we'll come back to the hydrangea room and Grace's garden because we need to mulch these areas and just get them cleaned up for the June garden tour. I love the way today's bouquets turned out. We ended up doing about 7 stems of the corsage lilies. As a base, I used spirea. I did about 3 stems of spirea, 5 stems of Orlea grandiflora, and I just think they look so fun. They're nice and loose. They look a little bit wild, but the great thing is that all of these lilies are going to continue to open in the vase, and these are really long-lasting bouquets. Definitely a solid week out of these. So I'm going to get these out to the flower stand, and then I want to do some gardening. We're all set up for the day, so now we can move on to some garden maintenance. I'm going to just go ahead and mulch the edge of Grace's garden for now. We have some new shrubs coming in next week that we're going to be adding into her garden, and they're going to be all white shrubs, so I'm really excited about that. Over here in the hydrangea room, we need to do some work also. I haven't mulched this garden for the past 2 years, so if we have some mulch left over, we'll go ahead and use it just around the borders. I really just need to clean up the edge of this garden a little bit. I also have a few random begonias that are coming back from probably 2 years ago, but they're kind of scattered here and there, so I'm going to pop all of those out and put them into Grace's garden. But the hydrangea room is really starting to look beautiful. Oh my, I just love the pink color of Invincible Spirit too. It's just such a beautiful space, but we really do need to clean up the edge here, and probably I need to add some astilbe in maybe the weeks to come. But look at Haas Halo, looking oh so beautiful. The blooms on Haas Halo are ginormous. That's my favorite smooth hydrangea. Invincible Spirit is looking oh so beautiful. It has the most delicate and romantic light pink blooms. Oh, looks like we need to do some maintenance back here too. Looks like I lost a stem of Invincible Spirit too. Invincible Lace is right next door. And you know what? This one right here, I think this must be Limetta, and I just can't remember planting it here because down below is Wee White. A little bit of sea holly in there as well. And you can see Annabelle in the distance and Gatsby Gal. And then in the book nook, we have all of those gorgeous incredible hydrangeas in bloom. So let's go ahead and beat the heat and get all these areas cleaned up and mulched together. Getting this garden mulched up put me in a wonderful and hydrangea-filled mood. I think what I want to do is set up a really simple tablescape with some of the blue hydrangeas that we have on the side of the yard and some of the Incredibles in the front. Isn't the hydrangea room looking so nice and neat and tidy? I just love having a nicely mulched garden. So let's head over to the dining table. And I can tell you what I'm thinking in terms of how to set this tablescape up. I don't want to do anything too extravagant, just something simple. So maybe what I'll do is 2 large vases of blue hydrangeas, 3 mason jars of incredible white hydrangeas, and then maybe some small vases with peach ranunculus. So we'll have that nice blue-white peach color scheme that we have in the main flower walk. So let's grab some vases and we'll go ahead and cut some hydrangeas now. I just love the blend of peach, blue, and white. It just screams early summer to me. In this main arrangement, we did light salmon snapdragons, Monaco orange snapdragons, 2 different kinds of sweet peas. I have to check what that one is, but the one that's really fragrant is April in Paris. And then incredible hydrangea and a blue hydrangea have on the other side of our house. Oh, I just love those colors. Then in these small bud vases, I did Tecolote salmon ranunculus and April in Paris sweet peas. And then I did just 2 vases on either side with blue and white hydrangeas. But I think I'm going to wrap up today's video here. I want to wish you a wonderful day out there in your gardens, and I will see you sometime real soon. Bye, friends.